How to fix flashlight not working on iPhone. If the flashlight is not working or is grayed out on your iPhone, it is usually due to a software glitch, camera conflict, or hardware issues. So here is how to fix it step by step. First of all, close the camera app. The camera and flashlight share the same hardware. If the camera app is open, it can block the flashlight. So make sure to swipe up or double click the home button and close the camera app completely and try using the flashlight again. And once done so, and if it's still not working, then simply restart your iPhone. Hold the side button plus volume down button or just the side button on older models. Then you will get to see slide to power off option available on your screen, and all you have to do is slide it and turn it back on and check the flashlight. A simple reboot often clears temporary glitches. Now once done so, all you have to do is look for the settings app on your home screen and simply tap on it. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Then inside general, tap on the software update. Then if an update is available, install it. Sometimes bugs are fixed in updates. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.